Minasan, konnichiwa, Zamurai Engineer. In this video, let us continue with the module number 12, and we are now currently going to discuss design of openings. So, still, we are at the part 4 of the series on NFPA101 Life Safety Code. This code has an objective to minimize danger to life from fire, smoke, heat, and toxic gases. Provides mission continuity and property protection in both new construction and existing building. So we are on module number 12 still, and currently on the last sub-topic, design of openings. Let us proceed. Design of protected two-story openings. We are given perspective. Okay, this is actually what? Two-point perspective view with indication for what? Stair separation wall, floor number 2, no openings in floors 1 and 2, stair open to floor number 3. So those are indicated on this illustration. 8.6.8 recognizes a maximum two-story stair that is enclosed on one of two floors but not both. So still, the code recognizes such design. The separating barrier keeps the effects of a fire on one of the two levels from spreading to the other floor. Okay. So we have a barrier on one of the floor, and still, because the system is only a maximum of 2-story, one floor is having a separating barrier, one do not have, but still the code recognizes its application. A stair meeting 8.6.8 might be permitted to be used for exit access, but is not permitted to be considered, okay, that is an exit access, but not an exit because it is not enclosed on all levels. Exit access, not exit. So remember that egress has 3 parts. Okay, so we have exit access, exit, and exit discharge. So this is the part of exit. No, so it is considered as exit access, but not an exit. So this type of system. So as you can see, we have stair separation wall. Okay, floor number 2. Okay, and this is stair is connecting floor 2 to floor number 3. Floor 3 open. So only the protection enclosure is on floor number 2. It is still accepted as exit access, okay, but not exit. Okay, so to be able to be considered as an exit, it must be enclosed on all of the levels it is connecting. So must also be enclosed up to the 3rd floor because it is connecting 2nd and 3rd. Okay, so that is what we mean by what protected two-story opening. Okay, so design of openings for expansion joints, fire protection, rated expansion or seismic joints with a minimum rating not less than the required fire resistance rating of the floor are permitted. So it's already discussed, explained in previous videos Without appropriately fire-rated joints, the vertical opening protection requirements might be satisfied by an arrangement of fire-rated walls and doors. Okay, so fire protection rated expansion joints. Okay, those expansion joints must be fire protection rated. Okay, with a minimum rating of not less than the floor, and without those, the vertical opening. Okay, we are now talking the opening might be satisfied by an arrangement of fire-rated walls and doors. Okay, rather than the expansion joint itself, we can have the what? Fire-rated wall barriers and doors arranged to protect these expansion joints. So you must install here what the door. Okay, but as you can see, this expansion joint is now fire rated. Okay, that is the type of expansion joint that is fire rated. Okay, it looks like rubber. Okay, it looks like rubber visually, but it is a fire rated joint. Okay, so without this fire rating of the expansion joint, we can instead protect the walls and doors that enclose the expansion joint. Okay, so we can put up door here and another door here. So double doors and double walls. A wall fire rated here, a fire rated wall again here. So we will enclose. Okay, from floor to roof, from floor to ceiling. Okay, so those are two separate ways of designing an expansion joint. Another is design for escalator openings. New escalators and existing escalator not serving as exit need not be enclosed. If they are not considered an exit, so no need for inclusions under certain conditions. Under certain conditions, so usually we have this type of escalators in our malls. Okay, only provision for occupant safety here. Okay, fence. Okay, but if this is designed to be a wall up to the upper portion, okay, going to the upper portion, this glass wall, okay, could be pirated and therefore could be considered as inclusion. But here it is not, because it is only for safety of the not for fire related purpose. Okay. So this is not considered an exit. So another design principle for now, mezzanine. So the aggregate area of a mezzanine within a room must not exceed 1/3 the open area of the room. So for example, the room is about 3,000 square foot. So mezzanine maximum should be about 1,000 square foot, 1/3. Okay. Okay. More than that, it is now considered as independent floor. Okay, so the area of mezzanine is not considered part of the total open area. If this is the case, if it is only about 1/3, it is not considered part of the total open area, and we just ignore its occupancy load. Okay. Again, for mezzanine, enclosed space of less than 10 occupants, or if the mezzanine have an enclosed space with 10 occupants on the mezzanine are permitted. Okay. Okay. Paragraph 8.6.10.3.2 allows a mezzanine having 2 or more means of egress. So means of egress. 2 or more means of egress. So one here going to this seat and another one going directly outside. So means of egress which do not open into the room in which it is located if at least one of the means of egress provides direct access from enclosed area to an exit at the mezzanine level. So direct discharge to outside of the building. So there are 2 means of egress, 1 and 2. This is possible even if it does not open into the room. Okay. So we have the exit here, but it leads to that exit. Okay. It is allowed because 1 is directly discharging outside the building. Okay. It is allowed. Okay. And with that, we are through with the module 12 with this important subtopic. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. This is Dr. DrEYPEI, preaching engineering for national building.